I'm Ty with WTI, and I am drinking my Yogi Ginger Tea. The best thing about this tea, in my opinion, is its digestive benefits. Ginger is widely known for its digestive properties and has proved to be very soothing for my stomach. I love that this tea is organic and has a thoughtful combination of well-selected ingredients. It has lemongrass, licorice root, peppermint leaf, and black pepper, all which adds layers of flavor and potential health benefits. I think that it has a very robust flavor, and I can also taste a hint of spice from the black pepper and ginger. I love the convenience of individually wrapped tea bags, which makes it easy to take with me to enjoy on the go. Overall, I think this is a very refreshing tea to have as an option in your tea collection. And that's my point of view.